Hello everyone, you're on channel tervaD. That's the part number for the door, DA91-04630B. The door came defected. It was some dent on the side of the door, and Samsung sent us another door. Just wanna kind of take a quick video. A lot of customers saying like, how come the wire in the door kind of break or like loose or something like that, and you cannot repair it. So I just want to explain why that happened, how that happened. So basically, here's the harness, right? It came out from the door. So if anything happened to the harness somewhere here inside the insulation foam, it's actually under the plastic. I actually kind of like rip off a door a little bit to show you that. You see there's a wires right there. So if one of those wires got, I don't want to say got damaged, but loose or burn or something like that, it's pretty much impossible to repair those wires. And the door needs to be replaced. That was actually the case why we replaced the door. The dispenser didn't work, and basically we ordered another door. As soon as we put it a new door, dispenser started working fine, so everything's good. So it was definitely an issue with the wiring. So thank you for watching channel, and have a nice day.